Oh, we got a little firecracker today. 1966 Chevy Nova, bright red, gray leather upholstery. Got a 4-speed and no, a 5-speed Tremec. 350 motor under the hood. Custom front clip under there with the rack and pinion and disc brakes. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can take your time and read all the information, study about 100 pictures top to bottom. That's also where you will find the price tag on 200 classic cars, all for sale, and each one is a monthly finance payment as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this thing's a little firecracker. It's sharp looking. It has a metal cowl hood, and I'm looking at red glass here. It is buffed and polished like a mirror. It lines up square, flush, no issues. I see no damage. The fender is all nice and clean all the way to the bottom. Has the cross flag emblems. Where the gaps are right on, smooth all along here. Shuts real nicely. All smooth, clean, straight, nice quarters, nice body lines. Everything's crisp, straight. We sold this car 4 years ago. Just acquired it back from the same gentleman we sold it to. This is the paint job that was on there when we sold it. So it's at least 4 years old, still looking really nice. That means it's a quality job. All lines up nice. Look at the body lines, how it comes around the opening there. All looking real good. Shuts real nicely. All slick, straight, like glass. Now, there's a little chip down here, probably from the seat belt hanging out or something like that. So if you look, first time you wax it, you're going to be like, oh, Jay didn't tell me about that little nick. I mean, it's slick, it's beautiful, it's not cracking, it's not bubbling that I see anywhere. So the windshield is crystal clear. The rubber gasket is soft. The moldings look real nice up front. All the chrome, the bumper, the headlight bezels, the grille, all looks really sharp. It's decked out with the SS trim. Well, I guess that's a matter of just a few emblems, really. Door handles look new. All this trim, all bright, shiny, straight. The vent window has some pimples on the chrome right there. The rear glass, good original, typical little light scratches. 15-inch rally wheels in really nice shape. Confirming the size. Yeah, they're 15s. You can see all the trim is shiny. BFGoodrich tires. Nice size, nice stance. A little bit smaller tire in the front because of that nice hot rod look. So in back, tail lights are very good. There's a little mark. This tail panel's original, so we'll call it good, average. There's freckles on the chrome, but it's not really pitted. Bumper's rechromed. Chrome gas cap. All right, why don't we open it up? We'll show you that leather interior and that little firecracker under the hood. Okay, let's look inside. Oh, that's a nice surprise, all boxed and upholstered, even under the trunk lid. And it has some nice impressions there, some imprint. And even besides that, it's all slick red paint, new weather strip, all boxed, upholstered, carpeted. There's a spare, a lug wrench. So there's probably a jack under there. And how about a bag full of money, or maybe just a car cover? That's a nice looking trunk. They boxed it, and yet you still have plenty of room for the spare. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. That way you're notified as the new videos are posted. Door jambs are slick too. Someone did one heck of a paint job on this car. Weather strips are replaced. So the gray metal on the top of the doors are repainted and matches the interior really well. Door panels are custom made. I believe they're all wrapped in leather. So dash, all this is dyed to match real nicely. Has them nice custom gauges. Let's see if we can get them to light up here real quick. Oh yeah, lights up red. You got the analog gauges, and then you got the digital in the middle. That's how many miles on the restoration, 1936. Stereo, Alpine stereo. Custom upholstered door panels as well. Carpet's all real nice. Got a little angry smiley face on the 5-speed Hurst shifter. I like these little center consoles here. You got cup holder, armrest. Now the seats are very firm. They're completely rebuilt. This is genuine leather. All real nice, not wrinkled. The seat back is also wrapped in leather. And then everything back here looks just as good. The back seat, the side panels are custom. And then the rear shelf is custom. And then look at even the headliner. They gave it an embossed pattern on the sail panels. And it's all custom, like that Alcantara material, working light, leather visors. Yeah, I admit it's an SS wheel out of a 72 Chevelle, but they could have picked a little better steering wheel, but you can pick your own out. That's easy to fix. Yeah, I just peeled back the little welting is actually leather. That's all leather. Door panels, everything. So it's a 350 motor, has some custom heads on there, custom intake with a dual feed, Holley carb with electric choke, MSD billet distributor, MSD ignition system. Plug wires are run neatly. It has some nice coated headers. It's all dressed up real nice. And look at the engine bay, all painted real slick. Now these supports, that helps keep the body from twisting. This is all custom inner fenders because of the upgraded suspension. You don't have the shock towers here. It's all different, which we'll talk about in a little bit. Batteries bolted down. A Be Cool aluminum radiator, the electric fan, all the pulleys, everything looks fresh. Power steering was added. It's an upper stainless hose. Dual reservoir master, hydraulic clutch. Got the horns, under the hood's painted slick red. All right, Michael's going to take you for a drive. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Subframe, if you will. It's got rack and pinion and two-wheel control arms, adjustable gas shocks. That's really done up. I have had a chance to move it around the block and really fond of the performance on this one. It really is a blast to drive. Ooh, a hydraulic clutch also. Well, now let's see what she's got. car top to bottom. We did pull a bill of about $4,000 doing several different things. One of them was new intake gaskets on it. That was kind of a big ticket item. And yeah, it runs and drives fantastic. Now, if you need a full listing of the service, you can go on our website and get that. It's so nice and tight too. Excellent. Come on, test drive it for yourself. You don't take my word for it. You guys are always more than welcome here. We'll put the car up on the lift or do whatever you need us to do. Spend as much time with the cars you like. Check out all the details, pictures, and the full description on volocars.com.
All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that drive. Underneath the car is really nice, all clean metal floors, smooth, but up front, the front cross member, it's a whole new setup. Tubular control arms, coil-over adjustable gas shocks. I think they're chrome. I know the springs are chrome. Rack and pinion steering, so that's all new. In back, leaf springs with air shocks. It does have disc brakes, upgrade in the front, drum in the back. You look up at the motor, extra capacity oil pan, and all looks clean and fresh. You got the Tremec 5-speed transmission, and that 5th gear is always nice for cruising down the highway. In back is a 373 Posi unit in the rear end. It has a nice dual exhaust front to back. So yeah, quite a little package here. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.